Guess who got some mail today? And it's not just any ordinary mail. It's my comic. Look at this. I removed my address for safety purposes, so that no one sees my address. I removed the stickers off of it, but it's from Comix Well Spring. It's my manga. It's my comic that I've been working on since 2021. And I'm happy to unbox it for you guys. This is my first time reacting. It just came. It just came. Oh my god. God. This is my comic that I've been working on since 2021, and I asked my mom and I got her permission if I can show my comic to y'all, and she said yes. Here we go. I'm so nervous. I'm literally shaking. I'm worried that they messed it up, because I wanted it in the Japanese reading order. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Wow, it's well packaged too. It's just a lot of tape. I can tell that comics is really... I've seen people open up their comics with Comix Well Spring. I've seen videos of that. But a manga? No one has ever done that. No one has ever opened their manga before. So I ordered a manga size, and I'll be the first person to be reviewing. Oh my god. I heard that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. They got it in the Japanese reading order, like I said. Oh my god, the quality is so good on this. Unfortunately, there's some bleed showing, but this is my comic. There's like white borders around. Unfortunately, they didn't, quite cut that off, but... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the quality is so good. The quality on this is so good. I don't mind. I don't mind the bleed. It's fine. I need to check this after recording. The quality is so good. Look at this. I'm literally about to cry. This is so good. Thank you, Comix Well Spring. They got it in the Japanese reading order. Like I said, they listened. Oh my god, this is so good. I love this. Oh my god. It's my own book. I need to approve this. It's approved. I need to check every page, inspect it after this video. This is what I've been working on since 2021. And I've been taking so many social media breaks, and all those breaks were worth it. Oh my god, I can feel the lines on the front cover. It pops out. Oh, I feel that. They got the inside front cover. Oh my god. This is my dream. I'm gonna hold it up. Look at that. Look at that quality. I'm satisfied. I'm really satisfied. I am so satisfied. I am just so satisfied. Let me show you one of the pages. And I don't want to give spoilers. Let me pick a rando. That is so nice. Thank you, Comix Well Spring. But I'm happy to announce that I'm finally revealing my comic. It is called Sagia. And it's not Sagea. It's called Sagia. And I will talk about more details about it later. But oh my gosh, this is so good. This is so good.